Hello, and welcome to Beginner English at Inspire Academy. We're at Unit 17, and this unit is all about school. We're going to look at types of schools, people in schools, things in a school, questions in school, and common phrases and sentences that are used in school. Types of schools are college or university, high school or secondary school, elementary or primary school, technical college, online school, and preschools. People will start out at preschool when they're 3 years old till about 5 years old. Then they move on to elementary or private school, or sorry, elementary or primary school. When they're five until about the age of 14, then they move to secondary or high school from when they're 14 till they're about 20 or 14 to 18 years old. And then they move on to college or technical college, or they start working. College, people who graduate from high school and go to college are about 18, 19, 20 years old, but you do have older students who go to college as well. A secondary student might decide to go to technical college and learn plumbing, robotics, auto mechanics, or other electronics or other skills and diplomas. Students may decide to go to online school if they're in preschool, elementary, secondary, or college or university, or even technical college. People in schools. Here are some people that you might meet in a school. Number one, teacher. Number two, student. Number three, principal. Number four, secretary. Number five, a coach. Number six, nurse. Number seven, a cook or a server. Number eight, janitor. Number nine, students. Number 10, parents. Number 11, a bus driver. Number 12, a crossing guard. Things in a school. Number one, classroom. Number two, library. Number three, building. Number four, gym. Number five, playground. Number six, cafeteria. Number seven, school bus. Number eight, office. Number nine, computers or computer lab. Number 10, school supplies like pens and erasers and paper and scissors, pencils. Number 11, report card. Number 12, lockers. Here are some common questions that you might hear in schools or you might want to ask if you are in school. Can you repeat the question, please? When is the homework due? Are we working in groups or alone? Can I ask a question? May I be excused? When is lunch? When is recess? When can we take a break? Can you look up that meaning? Can you speak slowly? When is the exam or test? When is Christmas or summer vacation? Did you do your homework? What did you read today? Here's some common school vocabulary. School registration, school fees, online or in-person school, school holidays, school schedule, s- your agenda, parent and teacher conference, school sports, school clubs and activities, grades or marks, dances, and fundraisers. There are many, many other different kinds of school vocabulary, but this is an example of some of the common vocabulary. Answer the question. What do you see in this picture? Do you see books, calculators, backpack, scissors, notebook, ruler, lunch, pen, scale, eraser, chalk, and glue? Let's take a look at the answer. There are no books in this picture. Yes, there is a calculator. No, there is no backpack in this picture. Yes, there are scissors, notepads, and a ruler, number 4, number 5, and number 6. There's no lunch. Yes, there is a pen, a scale, and an eraser, number 8, number 9, and number 10. There's no chalk, and yes, there is glue. Answer the questions. The students play sports in the classroom, the gym or the gymnasium, the office. The blank cleans the school at night. The teacher cleans the school at night, the cook cleans the school at night, or the nurse cleans the school at night. In June, I get blank with all my grades listed. In June, I get a homework with all my grades listed, a book with all my grades listed, or a report card with all my grades listed. Answer to the questions. The students play sports in the gym. The janitor cleans the school at night. In June, I get a report card with all my grades listed. So here's a recap. The types of schools are preschool, primary school, secondary school, co- university, college, online school, and technical college. People and things. People, we looked at people who work in schools, students, parents, bus drivers, crossing guards, and many others. Parts of a school, like the classroom, the office, things we see in schools like supplies and school buses. Questions or phrases like, what book did you read today? And may I be excused? And vocabulary like school holidays, school fees, and homework. Try to practice your new vocabulary and use them in the school setting. That's all for today. Have a great day. See you next time.